Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's guide, I'm going to show you how to exactly get more Star Trail Special Pass and Star Rail Passes, or most players call tickets, in Honkai Star Rails for 2025. These are essential if you want to pull a banner and grab your favorite characters or icons, so let's get into it. First, daily and weekly missions. This is the most consistent way to earn Stellar Dread, which can then convert into tickets. Complete your daily training and weekly assignments, and you'll rack up plenty of Stellar Jade over time. Next, Tribalize level rewards. Every time you level up your Trailblazer level, head over to Pom Pom and Astral Express. You'll often receive special passes as a reward, so just keep progressing in the game. Another source, Simulator Universe. Each phase gives you out plenty of Stellar Jade and sometimes direct tickets rewards. Make sure to complete all available rewards and objectives in 2025. Some updates may even offer new tickets as a reward here. Then there's the Forgotten Hall and the newer Memory of Chaos. These are your go-to for extra pulls. Each stage and tar you clearly usually give Stellar Jade or actual tickets as a reward. Try to push as far as your team can go. Also, don't skip events and Honkai. Events regularly hand out 10 pull tickets, Stellar Jade, and another goodies. Stay on the top calendar and participate. You're guaranteed rewards just for playing. Another one, Nameless Honor Battle Pass. The free version offers free stair passes, and while the paid version gives you even more, including special passes, even if you are a regular player. This is a solid investment. Finally, login bonuses and game mail. Especially during anniversaries or version updates, Hovers often gives out 10 pulls or free tickets to all players. Check your mail and log in consistently. And that's it. Stay active, clear missions, push game modes, and save those stellar jets wisely. You'll be pulling new characters and light cones in no time. If this helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, drop you a TK farming tips below, and subscribe for more Honky Star Tail Red Guards everywhere. Catch you in the next one.